What you got there? Bag? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Dean.
What are you doing? Are you scanning books for the library?
Okay.
All right.
Dean. He looks right there. Wait.
Where's Daddy? What's Daddy doing? You see Daddy?
Look at me.
Hey, what are you doing?
Opening the new door.
Where are you gonna go?
We're leaving outside.
You're leaving outside?
Okay.
All right. Hey, Matt, can you say hi to Grandma and tell her that you're all better? Say hi, Grandma. I'm all better. Can you say I'm better?
I'm better.